Are you thinking about buying KnowledgeNet.ai? There are 7 essential things you need to know before making that decision. If you're considering this software, you'll want to stick around till the end because we'll dive into the details that could save you time, money, and frustration. First, let's talk about what makes KnowledgeNet.ai stand out. It promises to make your data analysis and knowledge management easier than ever before. But is it really as simple and effective as it claims? In the crowded field of AI-driven platforms, you need to be sure you're investing in something that aligns with your goals. Compared to competitors like Zapier or Monday.com, KnowledgeNet.ai offers a more streamlined AI-powered approach for organizing and automating workflows. Next thing you'll want to know, customization. While many tools offer some level of personalization, KnowledgeNet.ai goes above and beyond with its customizable dashboards. You can tweak the interface to fit your team's needs without being overwhelmed by too many complex options. This is a huge advantage over other software that forces users into predefined layouts, making KnowledgeNet.ai a great option for teams that need flexibility. The third thing is scalability. Many AI tools struggle as your data grows, but KnowledgeNet.ai scales effortlessly. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, it adjusts without compromising performance. Unlike some competitors, which either become slower or more expensive as you grow, KnowledgeNet.ai keeps it smooth and cost-effective. The fourth thing you should consider is how well KnowledgeNet.ai integrates with your existing tools. If you already use platforms like Google Analytics, Salesforce, or even Shopify, you'll appreciate that KnowledgeNet.ai seamlessly integrates with these. It saves you from wasting time setting up endless API connections or worrying about incompatibility issues that often arise with other tools. Next thing to note is its AI-driven insights. One of the features that sets KnowledgeNet.ai apart from similar software is its ability to not just organize data, but also offer actionable insights. Competitors often focus on data collection without providing the depth of analysis. But with KnowledgeNet.ai, you get real-time analytics that can guide decision-making. This predictive AI functionality gives you an edge, especially when trying to forecast trends or optimize performance. Now, let's talk about user support. With any new software, you'll need help getting started, and KnowledgeNet.ai has you covered with 24/7 support and a wealth of educational resources. Many platforms only offer limited support hours or charge extra for premium support. KnowledgeNet.ai stands out by offering accessible, helpful resources without extra cost. The sixth thing is pricing. While some of its competitors charge premium prices for their features, KnowledgeNet.ai is competitively priced, especially considering the value you get. For startups and small businesses, this pricing model makes it much more accessible compared to pricier options like Salesforce or HubSpot, which can quickly escalate to higher costs as you scale. Lastly, let's talk about the free trial. This is a game changer. You can try KnowledgeNet.ai completely free through the first link in the description below. This is an excellent way to test the software in your own environment before fully committing. Many platforms offer free trials, but KnowledgeNet.ai stands out by giving you a robust, full-feature trial with no hidden fees or limitations. To wrap up, if you're considering KnowledgeNet.ai, make sure you take full advantage of the free trial through the link below. With its customization options, AI-driven insights, scalability, and seamless integration, this could be the software that changes the way you manage and analyze data. Click the link in the description now to get exclusive access to the best free trial and make an informed decision about whether KnowledgeNet